All right, today I'm going to be changing a Honda Ridgeline rear turn signal and brake light. And there's also a reverse bulb in there you can do at the same time. First of all, we're going to take out two bolts. There's one here and here. I've removed them already. I used a 10mm wrench. Then you're going to pull back on the light. You have two little clips here that hold on to the light. So pull back, don't pull out. Then you can lay this on the tailgate like so, and you have access to all your bulbs. These are the two clips or little holders that keep the guy in there. So you might have to wiggle and finagle to get those out. If they're pushed in firm, once it's out, you can access any of the bulbs. I think you have your, right here is your reverse light. Then you have a brake light and a running light. To get the lights out, you just turn this, pull this out. These bulbs, there's no clip. You just pull the bulb straight out. I'll have a link for each one of these, the running bulb, the brake bulb, and the reverse bulb in there. They all come out the same way. They twist to remove. Boom. Yep. All three of those. Then to put it back on, reverse the process. Super simple. This goes on. Make sure you line up those two things and your wires are out of the way. Line that up, push firm. It's in. Then we're going to throw our two bolts on here, and that's it. If this is helpful, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.